Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. While global supply chains have been rattled by the rising prices of memory chips, new reports claim that, despite the price hike of components, the new iPhone 18 Pro series may arrive with same prices. Here are iPhone 18 Pro Series 7 upgrades you cannot ignore. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The new iPhone 18 Pro series is expected to offer the biggest upgrades, which make it a standout launch. Number 7. Refined rear design. Apple has perfected a new glass processing technique that minimizes the visual gap between the back panel and the titanium frame, creating a seamless feel in the hand. The hero color for this year is tipped to be a dark cherry, a deep wine-like red, joining the staple finishes of silver, dark gray, and a new light blue. Number 6. Compact Dynamic Island. The Dynamic Island is finally shrinking. By migrating several Face ID components under the display, Apple is likely to reduce the pill-shaped cutout by roughly 25%. Number 5. 2nm A20 Pro Silicon. Under the hood, the A20 Pro chip will be a historic milestone. The world's first mass-produced processor using TSMC's 2nm node, predicted 15% boost in speed and a staggering 30% reduction in power consumption. Number 4. Higher memory upgrade. The entire iPhone 18 Pro lineup is expected to jump up to 12 GB of RAM. This ensures that, even with heavy background tasks or 4K ProRes rendering, the system remains buttery smooth. Number 3. Increased autonomy life. The new iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to pack a massive 5200 mAh battery, the largest ever seen in an iPhone. A perfect match for heavy use throughout the day. Number 2. Camera Control 2.0 with variable aperture. Apple is expected to introduce a variable aperture on the 48-megapixel main camera sensor, allowing the lens to physically adjust how much light hits the sensor for natural depth of field. This is Camera Control 2.0, which is rumored to feature a pressure-sensitive mechanical feel. Number 1. Apple C2 modem. This year marks a major shift in connectivity. The iPhone 18 Pro series will likely be the first to feature Apple's in-house C2 5G modem. This custom silicon is designed for extreme power efficiency and deeper integration with the A-series chip. It aims to provide more stable connections in high-density areas and potentially introduces enhanced, direct-to-cell satellite capabilities. The new iPhone 18 line is expected to launch in September this year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.